In this video, we will show you how to check graphic cards on Windows 11. To check your graphic card details on Windows 11, there are two methods. First, you can using system information. Just type system information. Then you can open the system information here. In here, you can toggle the components and select display. Then you can see there are two graphic cards here. The first in this list is NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650, and the second graphic cards using Intel UHD graphics 630. And you can also see the details of the graphic cards. The number second, you can check your graphic cards via the DXDIAC. You can just type run in here. Okay, just select run and type the DXDIAC look like this. Then you can click OK. Now the DXDIAC will display the system information, also the display in here. Just click the display. You can see in the DXDIAC, the first display is list Intel UHD graphics, and for the detail it look like this. There are memory and set memory also. And the second display is NVIDIA GeForce. You can see here. You can also see the details below. And that's all tutorial how to check your graphic cards on Windows 11. Hope this video helpful for you.